Liam Payne's cause of death confirmed. Polytrauma after fall from balcony. Liam Payne, the former member of One Direction, died of polytrauma after falling from the third-floor balcony of the CasaSur Palermo Hotel in Buenos Aires on October 16, 2024. This was confirmed at the Buckinghamshire Coroner's Court, England, on December 17th. An autopsy in Argentina revealed that Payne suffered multiple injuries with severe bleeding, and traces of alcohol, cocaine, and antidepressants were found. Prosecutors asserted that there was no evidence of suicide or violence, and that Payne likely fell unconscious. 5 people have been charged in connection with the case, including hotel manager Gilda Martin, receptionist Esteban Grassi, and Payne's friend, Rogelio Nores, for negligence. 2 other hotel employees, Ezequiel Pereyra and Braian Paiz, are accused of selling cocaine to Payne. Payne's funeral took place on November 20th in England, attended by family, girlfriends, and One Direction bandmates Harry Styles, Louis Tomlinson, Niall Horan, and Zayn Malik, who paid their respects.